Hello everyone, and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest Bitcoin news and price predictions. Bitcoin whale activity signals possibility of a historic bull run in BTC if this occurs. Bitcoin price drifted lower on Tuesday as whale interest in BTC declined. Whale transactions worth $1 million in Bitcoin have hit the lowest network levels since December 2020. If BTC price continues sliding lower, a spike in transactions by large wallet investors could signal a massive bull run in the asset. Bitcoin price continued its decline for the seventh day in a row. Large volume transactions, valued $1 million or higher, have hit a historical low as whale interest in BTC deteriorates. If BTC price continues sliding, a spike in whale transactions could be a historically bullish signal for the asset. Bitcoin whale activity could signal a bull run on one condition: Bitcoin network's large wallet investors and their activities have typically influenced the asset's price. Based on data from crypto intelligence tracker Sentiment, BTC's ranging prices overlapped with declining whale interest. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. There is a correlation between Bitcoin price and transactions worth $1 million or higher. Analysts at Sentiment believe if BTC price continues to slide and whale transaction spike, it would be a historic bullish signal for the largest asset by market capitalization. Despite BTC's steep price drop, holders are nursing their losses. The largest asset by market capitalization recently experienced historically low volatility. Bitcoin hodlers are sitting on a record 8 million BTC in unrealized losses. Data from on-chain analytics firm Glassnode shows that both short-term and long-term holders are sitting on more unrealized losses than ever before. This marks an important milestone in Bitcoin's price trend in the ongoing bear market. Whale activity and large volume transactions could trigger a breakout in the digital currency, as experts anticipate a BTC rally. Bitcoin could find its bear market bottom in January 2023. Rekt Capital, a crypto analyst and trader, evaluated Bitcoin's recent relative strength index. The momentum indicator is used to identify potential trend reversals in the asset. Bitcoin RSI recently entered the oversold zone, a sign that has historically preceded a reversal and recovery with outsized returns on investment for long-term investors. The past reversals from this area include the BTC price rally in January 2015, December 2018 and March 2020, basically all bear market bottoms. The expert argues that the number one cryptocurrency by market cap is currently searching for its first bottom to build macro bullish divergence. The technical analyst believes BTC could hit its cycle bottom by January 2023 and start climbing higher, prior to the next Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin in unprecedented bear market. Is this when it will end? Bitcoin is still above a long-term ascending support line. The weekly RSI has generated a bullish divergence. The Bitcoin price has been in a bear market for 412 days. The Bitcoin price has been trending down for a period of 364 days from its all-time high. Despite this, it's unknown whether or not a bottom has been reached. The Bitcoin price has been increasing above an ascending support line since the end of 2018. After a year-long fall from its all-time high, BTC again reached this line near $15,479 in November 2022. Bitcoin in 2023 and beyond. The low validated the long-term ascending support line and created a bullish divergence in the weekly RSI after the indicator moved outside of its oversold territory. Bullish divergences in the weekly timeframe are very rare. However, the RSI has yet to break out above its bearish divergence trendline. Whichever trendline breaks first could determine the direction of the trend. If the Bitcoin price does not break down from the ascending support line, it could rally in 2023. If the BTC price breaks down, it could fall back to test a previous horizontal support and a long-term ascending support line near $12,000. Unprecedented bear market. Even though technical analysis readings are not yet bullish, cyclical periods relating to halving suggest that a bottom will be reached soon. Historically, a bottom has been reached 517 to 547 days before the halving. The next halving is only 491 days away. Someone would beat the fuck out of you or kill you and take your gold bar. It's useless. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Ma stated that since Bitcoin is unbacked by anything, it is not worth the expense to purchase it. Cuban retaliated, claiming that it was useless to own stock of 90% of the companies out there. The current price of Bitcoin is $16,855, down more than 75% from $69,044, its all-time high it reached in November 2021. Silver and gold have performed significantly better as investments in 2022. The value of the metals has largely kept steady despite losses in the cryptocurrency market and U.S. equities. At this time last year, the price of gold was $1,807 per ounce and is still hovering around similar levels. Mark Cuban was recently caught up in legal troubles for promoting crypto lender Voyager. Cuban was sued by the Moskowitz law firm in civil court in southern Florida for advertising Voyager's unlicensed cryptocurrency products. He was charged with misrepresenting the business on numerous occasions, including making dubious claims that it provided commission-free trading services and was less expensive than competitors. According to the lawsuit, Cuban and Stephen Ehrlich, CEO of Voyager Digital, used their years of experience to convince uninformed clients to invest their life savings in what the law firm called a Ponzi scheme. Bitcoin about to celebrate 14th birthday, will it be the last? On the 3rd of January 2023, Bitcoin will celebrate its 14th birthday. What is in store for the freedom currency? The man, woman, or group of people that went by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto minted the Bitcoin Genesis block on January 3, 2009. In that first block, Nakamoto wrote the following headline from the Times newspaper: "Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks." Such a headline being written into the Genesis block of the fastest-growing asset in history really puts into perspective as to why Satoshi Nakamoto spent the time on engineering something that might provide a life raft out of the poverty-inducing monetary system that persists to this day. The monetary system makes the world go round, and yet nobody really questions how currency comes into existence. It's not taught at schools, and even probably the vast majority of individuals who work in banks or financial agencies don't have a clue as to how our debt-based monetary system actually works. The renowned industrialist Henry Ford said, "It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning." The noble venture that is Bitcoin was probably allowed to flourish because those in the banking system initially ignored it, and then they laughed at it. However, the laughing went on long enough for Bitcoin to gain the network strength through decentralized nodes that allowed it to become the securest computing network on Earth. Some attribute the saying to Gandhi in his struggle for Indian independence from the British: "First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win." Thanks for watching. See you next video.